When you're setting up an Epson Eco Tank printer to use sublimation ink, you might want to consider changing the ICC profile, which affects how different colors print. In this video, I'm going to show you what it prints as default, as well as what it printed as when I changed it to the ICC profile I got from StarCraft, because I'm using StarCraft ink and paper.
My name is Ruth. This is Hanks, Maker Mentor, where I help you learn how to make.
I printed a version of the file on my inkjet printer as a comparison, and then I printed one with the default ICC and one with the StarCraft ICC. I followed the same steps to press both of them, and let's take a look at the results. This is what the default ICC profile looked like. This is what the StarCraft ICC profile looked like. This is all three together. You can see that the inkjet is actually the least vibrant. Is there a big difference between the default and the StarCraft profiles? Not really. Depending on the lighting, they were either the exact same or very, very similar. So do you need to take the time to download and install a new ICC profile? I think that's up to you, and it depends on what you're printing and what blank you're putting it on. If you have questions, leave them in the comments.
Thanks for watching Hanks, Maker Mentor. Until next time, bye.